Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Hoodbeam kit is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components for any serious off-roader or adventurer looking to enhance their vehicle's lighting capabilities, especially when navigating challenging terrains or low-visibility conditions. This kit aims to provide a significant upgrade over standard headlights, offering a focused and powerful beam that cuts through darkness, ensuring you can see further and react faster to obstacles on a trail or road ahead. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle's existing electrical system, providing a robust and reliable lighting solution that can withstand the rigors of off-road use. Number 5. YME Bright Exterior LED Hood Light Strip. Experience a dynamic scan startup effect when you turn on your car, transitioning to constant lighting as you drive. This ensures you stand out and enhances safety by alerting others to your presence in the dark. This light strip is fully waterproof and can be easily cut to your desired length. For best results, avoid direct high-pressure washing of the strip. Measuring 79 inches, it's designed for all 12V vehicles like cars, trucks, and SUVs. It can be used for various purposes, including hood decoration, daytime running lights, and more. Constructed with soft silicone and strong adhesive, it provides super bright, uniform lighting. It also features short-circuit protection for added safety. The package includes everything you need for installation, including the light strip, hot glue, a test pencil, and instructions. Wiring is straightforward: connect black to negative and red to the ACC fuse. We stand by our product with a 1-year quality support guarantee and dedicated customer service. We're here to assist with any concerns you may have. What we like. This Hoodbeam kit features a dynamic scan startup animation that makes your car stand out. It's also waterproof and cuttable to fit your specific needs. If you're looking to add a unique visual flair to your vehicle and enhance its visibility, especially during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. The Beam kit is designed to be easily installed, with clear instructions provided. The kit includes all necessary components for a complete installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The Hoodbeam is made of durable materials, promising long-lasting performance and reliability. Number 4. Underhood LED Light Kit. Tired of working in the dark? This super bright LED strip light is designed to illuminate your engine bay and other hard-to-see areas. It provides plenty of light, allowing you to work normally and easily, even after dark. Installing this light bar is a breeze. You can easily fix it to your car hood using the self-adhesive tape or included ties. No extra tools or damage to your vehicle are required. Don't worry about the elements. Its excellent airtightness and IP67 waterproof rating effectively protect it from rain, mud, and dirt, ensuring a long service life. This Underhood LED light kit is designed for universal fit. It's perfect for all cars, trucks, SUVs, off-road vehicles, trailers, campers, RVs, boats, and more. The package includes everything you need: a 36cm LED strip light, an automatic switch, and ties. We also offer a 24-hour service guarantee with free returns and exchanges if you're not satisfied. What we like. This Underhood light kit provides super bright illumination for those hard-to-see areas, with an automatic on-off feature for convenience. It's also incredibly easy to install with adhesive tape. If you frequently work on your car's engine or need better visibility in dark garages or at night, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Hoodbeam kit is a great addition to my truck. It is very well made and looks amazing. I love the design of this Hoodbeam kit. It is very sleek and modern. The installation was a breeze, and the kit comes with all the necessary hardware. Number 3. YUGUANG 71-inch LED Hood Light Strip. Experience a dynamic scan effect when you start your car, transitioning to a constant bright white light for enhanced visibility and safety in any weather. This upgrade not only alerts others to your presence but also adds a stylish touch to your vehicle's front end. Designed with your safety in mind, this light strip features low power consumption and built-in protection against short circuits and moisture. Its robust waterproof design ensures reliable performance, even in harsh conditions. Crafted with high-quality, super bright LED beads and a flexible, non-heating silicone material, this strip is built to last. It's fully waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to exposure, and can be easily bent or cut to fit your needs. Installation is a breeze with the pre-applied adhesive tape. Simply connect the wires to your vehicle's power source without altering the original wiring, and enjoy an enhanced look and improved safety. Measuring 71 inches, this light strip is perfect for a wide range of 12V vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. Mount it across your hood or grille for a striking visual upgrade and improved road presence. We're here to help. If you have any questions about installation or use, our dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to provide assistance. What we like. This hood light strip offers a dynamic scan startup effect and is built with high-quality, IP68 waterproof materials. It's designed to enhance both the look and safety of your vehicle. If you want a stylish upgrade that also provides a bright warning light for oncoming traffic and pedestrians, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Hoodbeam kit is a great addition for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's lighting. Installation was straightforward and the beam pattern is excellent, providing clear visibility on the road. The quality of the materials used in a kit is impressive, ensuring durability and longevity. Number 2. 2023 Dynamic Scan Hoodbeam Kit. Introducing the Dynamic Scan Start Engine Light Kit. This flexible LED strip is designed for low power consumption and features built-in protection for your safety. Crafted from high-quality silicone and LED, this light is waterproof, durable, and resistant to heat. Its super bright lamp beads ensure excellent illumination. Installation is a breeze with the strong adhesive backing. Simply plug and play into your hood gap without any complex wiring modifications. With an IP65 sealed housing, it's built to withstand rain, snow, and fog, ensuring a safe driving experience in any condition. It's also energy-saving with a long lifespan. This versatile LED light bar is compatible with most DC-12V cars, trucks, Jeeps, and ATVs. It makes a perfect gift for car enthusiasts. What we like. This LED strip is flexible, cuttable, and features a waterproof IP65 rating, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. It also includes a memory function for your preferred settings. If you're looking for a versatile lighting solution that you can customize to your vehicle's specific design and want reliable performance, this is a solid pick. What people say. The Hoodbeam kit arrived quickly and was well packaged. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making installation straightforward. The quality of the materials used in a kit is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 1. Auxbeam XP Ultra 3-inch Fog Light Brackets. Upgrade your Toyota 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra with the Auxbeam XP Ultra 3-inch Fog Light Brackets. These are designed for a precise fit on models from 2010 to 2022. Please note that this product includes the mounting brackets only. It is specifically engineered for Auxbeam XP Ultra 3-inch LED pods, which must be purchased separately. Enjoy a seamless integration with your vehicle's front end thanks to the low-profile, flush mount design. It offers a clean and integrated appearance. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. While professional installation is recommended, it's designed for ease of use. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty and dedicated 24/7 customer support. Contact us for any issues, and we'll ensure a prompt resolution. Ensure you double-check your exact vehicle year and trim before ordering. This will help prevent any potential fitment issues and guarantee a perfect match. What we like. This product is a bracket kit specifically designed for certain Toyota models, offering a flush mount design for a clean look. It's important to note that this listing is for the brackets only and does not include the lights. If you own a compatible Toyota vehicle and are looking to install aftermarket LED pods for enhanced off-road lighting, this precision fit bracket kit is what you need. What people say. The Hoodbeam kit is a great addition for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's lighting. Installation was straightforward and the beam pattern is excellent, providing clear visibility on the road. The quality of the materials used in a kit is impressive, ensuring durability and longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.